Is FC26 crashing with DirectX errors or graphics driver failures? Whether you are saying DirectX function failed or sudden freezes mid-match, this video will show you the most effective fixes step by step. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show how to fix FC26, DirectX crashes and graphics driver errors. Method 1. Clear DirectX shader cache. The first thing you should do when you are getting DirectX errors while playing FC26 is clear DirectX shader cache. You can clear cache using disk cleanup tool and from Windows settings. Here is how to do so. Use disk cleanup tool. Type disk cleanup in the Windows search and select the disk cleanup app from the search results. Choose the drive where your operating system is installed. It is usually your drive C and click OK. In the disk cleanup window, check the box next to DirectX shader cache. You can uncheck other boxes if you only want to clear the DirectX shader cache. Click OK and then delete files to confirm. Use Windows settings. Press Win+I to open Windows settings, go to System, then select Storage. Click on Temporary Files. Check the box next to DirectX shader cache. Click Remove Files to delete the cache. Method 2. Install the proper version of DirectX. Search DirectX Runtime Download on Google and open the first result from Microsoft.com. Select the installer language you prefer and click on Download. Wait for the download to finish and then run the installer. Complete the installation and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation completes, restart your PC. Method 3. Install Visual C++ Redistributable. To install Visual C++ Redistributable, search for Visual C++ Redistributables in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. Download the recently available Visual C++ Redistributables. Ensure you download for the correct architecture like x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file and restart your PC. Method 4. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver. Select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics driver doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Method 5. Run FC26 on a dedicated graphics card. If you have multiple GPUs for your system, then make sure to use the one for gaming, as this can tackle the graphics intensive tasks well. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing FC26. There are different ways to check if you are running the dedicated graphics card depending on your operating system and the specific card you have. You can follow the method shown here. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run utility. Type devmgmt.msc and press Enter to open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. You should see two adapters listed here, one for your dedicated graphics card and one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card will have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So make sure to run the game with a higher memory size to avoid loading or crashing issues. Method 6. Rename the settings folder. Open File Explorer and go to your Documents folder or the FC26 folder location. Find the FC26 folder, right-click on it and select Rename. Add CS to the end of the folder name, for example, FC26CS. Launch the game to see if the issue is resolved. If not, you can rename the folder back and delete the new one created. Method 7. Run the game in windowed mode. You can also try running the game in windowed mode by pressing Alt + Enter when in the Start menu. Check if this helps resolve the issue. Method 8. Update your Windows operating system. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 9. Avoid overclocking and update BIOS. Overclocking the system can boost performance, but sometimes it can cause issues while playing games like FC26. So, you can disable overclocking while playing the game. To do that, boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings. The process of booting into BIOS differs from system to system. You can check the manufacturer's website for the exact process to boot into your BIOS. You can also take the help of the user manual to boot into your BIOS. Here are the basic steps to enter into BIOS or the UEFI settings. Open your Windows settings, select Recovery from the right pane. Then click on the Restart Now button next to the Advanced Startup. Once your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. Then, you should find the UEFI firmware settings. Once you boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings, navigate to the overclocking section and then disable it. You should close all the overclocking apps if you are using one like MSI Afterburner or similar applications. If you are using an outdated version of the BIOS, then this can also be why you are having issues while playing FC26. Each motherboard is different, so go through the manual of your motherboard to know how to update your BIOS. Follow the instructions to complete updating BIOS. After updating BIOS, you should not get the error. And that's how you fix EA FC26 DirectX errors and graphics driver crashes. We hope one of these methods helps stabilize your game and eliminate those annoying crashes. If this guide helped and saved your match, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes and gaming support. Drop a comment below to share which solution worked for you. It helps others and keeps the community strong.